Hello, music cadets. Captain Sarah speaking here. Today, we are going to start preparing for our upcoming mission, for our quest for the creativity crystal. You see, recently, music has been disappearing from planet Earth. And it's up to us, that's right, me and you, music cadet, to save music for this world. In preparation for our journey, this December 28th, 2020 through January 1st, 2021, we're gonna have to do some practicing. You see, our adventure is an epic musical adventure through the stars. We're learning about music composition in order so that we can play rhythmic and musical requests to the aliens that we will encounter along the way. Aliens? For now, for the next 11 days in our preparation, we are going to be visiting the different planetary bodies in our own solar system. Our first stop today is Mercury. So let's talk about Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and it is one of the 4 rocky planets we have in the inner solar system. Of course, Mercury is included in these 4, and in order from their proximity to our star, we've got Mercury, Venus, Earth, you live here, and Mars. And believe it or not, Mercury, like the other rocky innards, also has an atmosphere, super thin. Although, you definitely wouldn't want to breathe this atmosphere in, because its atmosphere is due to the fact that Mercury is constantly bombarded by solar winds. So much so that the particles that are flying off of the sun are bouncing the atoms off of the surface of the planet Mercury up so that they become the atmosphere. And 3 more facts about the planet Mercury. Number 1, it takes Mercury 88 days to revolve around the sun. And as it does so, it always shows the same face. Kind of like here on Earth, whenever we look up at the moon, we're always seeing the same face of the moon. That's because the moon and Mercury are both tidally locked in their rotation, so that they show that same face. That means, and this brings me to fact number 2, that on Mercury, on the sunny side, temperatures can get up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That is hot. That is hot. That is like baking chocolate chip cookies with your grandma and putting it in your oven and then making cookies. I don't know if that'll actually happen. It might just struggle turn black or whatever. But I mean, I do know that 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, you tend to have some electronic problems. So please do not try this at home. Anyway, 3rd fact about Mercury. And this is a cultural fact. In ancient Rome, the god Mercury, or to the ancient Greeks known as god Hermes, was known as the messenger god. He was the god responsible for bringing the messages within the realm of the deities, within the realm of man, and even within the realm of the underworld. He was known not only for his quick speed in delivering those messages, but in his quick wit, in his cleverness, in his cunning. Mercury, his personality, was known as the trickster, but also as someone who was so interested in so many things. So you can call this jack of all trades, master of none. Anyway, why are we here? Why are we on Mercury? Why are we hanging out? Why are we jamming? We are here to feel the planet of Mercury. To feel the planet of Mercury. And to unearth, maybe that's not the right word. To unmercury the sound that exists from within our imaginings of Mercury, our thoughts of Mercury, our feelings of Mercury. So, using Rolly's iOS music software application, Noise, to do some fun beat making. Learn about rhythms, music composition, creating different chord structures and creating melodies, and then performing them in front of all of our friends, in front of all of our peers, dressed up in your best outer space themed costume that you can make or order off Amazon, like this beautiful suit of mine, I wanted to give a sneak preview of what it's going to be looking like and actually share this with you as we venture from Mercury through the other astral bodies that I mentioned that we're going to be traveling through over the next 11 days. So let's get right into it. Thanks for tuning in to the live today. Oh my god, Mercury! 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 I can't wait for tomorrow. Venus is coming up. See you guys later.